In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a sheet tab in Google Sheets. Duplicating a sheet is a quick way to create a safe working copy of your data, keep templates intact, or try out changes without touching the original. Let's walk through the process clearly and simply so you can use it with confidence. Start by opening your Google Sheets document in your browser. Make sure you're in the correct file where the sheet you want to copy lives. Once the document is open, look toward the bottom of the screen. You'll see tabs arranged in a row. Each tab represents a sheet within your file. These tabs might be named something like Sheet 1, Data, or Dashboard, depending on how the file was set up. If you have many tabs, you can use the small left and right arrows to scroll through them until you find the one you want. When you've located the tab you want to duplicate, place your cursor over that tab and right-click. This opens a context menu with several options. From this menu, select Duplicate. As soon as you click Duplicate, Google Sheets creates a new tab that's an exact copy of the original. This includes your data, formatting, formulas, column widths, and most settings that define how the sheet looks and behaves. It's a reliable way to keep all your hard work intact while giving yourself a fresh space to experiment. You'll notice the new tab appears next to the original and carries the same name with the word Copy added to the end. For example, if your tab was named Sheet 1, the new one will appear as Sheet 1 Copy. This automatic naming helps you distinguish the original from the duplicate at a glance. If you want to make the name more descriptive, you can rename it right away. Just right-click the new tab and choose Rename, then enter a clear label that reflects its purpose, such as Draft, Backup, or Version 2. A meaningful name will make it easier to stay organized, especially in larger workbooks. That's all there is to it. Open your document, find the sheet tab you want, right-click, choose Duplicate, and optionally rename the new tab. Use this technique whenever you're preparing to test formulas, restructure a dashboard, or preserve a snapshot before making edits. It saves time, reduces risk, and keeps your workflow tidy. Now that you know how, try duplicating a sheet in your next project to streamline your process and protect your original work.